Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our latest screen for a BMW series that if you select 12.3 inch, this is our latest screen. Basically the corners are square and it's much thinner than before, and also the way that it sits on the dash, it's lower than before, so it doesn't bother the vision of the driver. So this is the latest screen that we're gonna switch our 12.3 inch to this screen very soon. So the way that it works, it's same as before, nothing is changed. This car is a BMW 2011, it's CIC, so you can use the iDrive knob and go through the menus. The digital dash is there with RPM and speed. You can change it to miles per hour, and you can do gallon too. It's in the settings. You can change it to liter, you can change it to gallon, and by clicking on menu you go back to the main menu. You can go to factory menu that you have. This car came with the tiny little screen and it didn't come with any backup camera, so you can go to your settings of your vehicle, same as before, check all those maintenance stuff or whatever you control, exactly same as before. And by holding the menu for a few seconds, it switched back to original, or you can just simply touch the screen. We add our backup camera by going to reverse. It shows the back of the car with dynamic guidelines, and if your car comes with factory sensors, it shows on the left side of the screen too. And by going to park or go to drive, it switch back to the main menu again. And this works, doesn't matter if you're on BMW side or if you're on Android side, it works on both sides. You can do wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, wired CarPlay, wired Android Auto. This is by today update. If something is changed, this is just till today. After the date that we post, maybe this status changes. So by going to Z-Link, basically it goes to wireless CarPlay. You can use Google Maps, you can use Waze, you can use any apps that you want. You can use basically Amazon Music, Spotify, or you can use Siri. Go to closest gas station.
One possibility I see is Petro-Canada on Woodbine Avenue in Markham, about a half kilometer to your east. Do you want that one?
Yes.
Getting directions to Petro-Canada. Starting route to Petro-Canada. Proceed to Conrad Crescent.
So technically you can use the touch screen, or you can use the iDrive knob to navigate through CarPlay or Android Auto too. If you're interested to get this type of 12.3 inch Android screens, you can buy them online from 4x4Shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and one of our technicians will be more than happy to assist you. Also, you can install apps the way that you like from Google Store and insert SIM card inside the unit and use the apps too. And the other thing is you can watch video full screen.
You tried to hide your suit from me. Now it's gonna blow up in your face and destroy everyone you care about.
Thank you again.